Hey guys, Connor Martin with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be checking out a 2020 Yamaha AR210 in Yacht Blue. Coming to the stern of the boat, we have a wonderful seating platform exclusive to Yamaha jet boats. The small 3-cylinder motors, it made it possible to make a really nice sun pad back here for you to hang out on the sandbar. Comes with a table mount included to mount your table or any other Yamaha accessories. You have your Yamaha in water ladder, drops really low, 3 steps, makes for really easy access from the water. Moving to the back, or moving to the storage compartment in the back here, you can see we have our clean out ports to make for easy cleaning of the impellers if you ever suck up a rope or any debris. Let's take a visit in the cockpit. In the AR line of Yamaha boats, comes with an included color matched ski tower in powder coated, so it's very durable, very nice. Comes with an included bimini top. Back here you can see has really nice wraparound seating to accommodate all passengers. 2 marine audio speakers on either side. Make for great audio. Moving to the cockpit here, we have an infinity radio, Bluetooth included, aux port included. You have your dual throttle setup here. Very, very easy. You have your 4-inch Connext display screen to display all your motor diagnostics and live data with 2 analog RPM gauges. This cockpit seat features a flip-up bolster, making for easy docking and more visibility. You have a very expansive ski locker here in the center to hold plenty of your water toys. As you can see, comes with a very nice vinyl snap-in carpet. Very easy to take out, to clean. Glove box included. Boat comes with a cooler in a dry compartment that is carpeted. Moving here to the bow of the boat, you see we have plenty of storage all around, all self-bailing compartments with carpeted inserts. All right, guys, if you're interested in seeing more about this boat, my name is Connor Marr at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you.